हे गाइस, दिस इज सुहास पड़मलकर। वेलकम टू टुडेज वीकली मार्केट अपडेट। आप सबका आपके अपने लाइफ सेलर सुहास चैनल में स्वागत है। लास्ट वीक वी हैव विटनेस लॉट ऑफ वोलेटिलिटी इन द इंडियन मार्केट बिकॉज ऑफ मेजर इवेंट्स, दैट इज इंडियन बजट एंड इंडिया यूएस ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट confirmation. So we can notice there was around 1800 to 1900 points movement in the Nifty 50 from budget low to the trade deal news high. Almost around 7 to 8% movement in the Nifty 50. Same is the case with the Bank Nifty also, around 3900 point movement. So within 2 3 days, such a wild swings we have seen in Indian market. That was expected around the budget. So, as a trader, we must learn from these events. Nobody can take market for granted. है ना? As a trader, what is there in our hand is only to manage our risk. So, always we have to be taking care of our position sizing and risk management whenever we are entering into any trade. So let us see how was the performance of the Indian market with respect to global markets in the last week, and what clues, what signals we are getting for the next week. But who will give this information? Obviously, it is our charts. So charts are our friends, and as a trader, we have to make this friendship very strong. Then only, है ना, chart will start talking with us. So, as a trader, we have to get that skill to read the price action properly so that all the informations we will be getting from the charts only, because it is being said that everything is factored in price. So we are going to see whether any sector rotation happening, or which is the new sector emerging going forward. So everything we are going to discuss in this today's video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Before moving ahead, disclaimer is this video is just for education and information purpose only. There is no buy or sell recommendation. As a trader or investor, it is your responsibility to do research and analysis, or consult your financial advisor before entering into any trade. So, without wasting time, let's dive in. In today's weekly market update, we are going to see world markets, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Indian market, and Indian sectoral indices performance. For this, we are going to use our most favorite top-down approach. So, as we know, there are 4 steps in this approach. First one is satellite view, where we see global market performance. Second step is helicopter view, where we see Indian major indices like Nifty and Sensex and its performance. Third step in this approach is aerial view, where we see Indian sectoral indices performance. And fourth step in this approach is microscopic view, where once we know the performing sector, it is very easy for us to find out the performing stocks from these sectors. So let us see. So the first step is satellite view. First one is Dow Jones. All three RSI are above 60. So clearly it is very good trending market. Look at the weekly charts. The people who follow conventional RSI, normally they consider RSI 70 level as overbought level. So, but here on weekly chart, look at the price movement. The moment price crosses or reaches 70 point, from there onwards only the momentum started. So actually we are following RSI unconventional method, where for us, whenever RSI crosses 60 level, we consider that is a momentum stock and we find the opportunities for buying instead of selling. S&P 500 monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So clearly it is also giving us a trending market signal. Nasdaq monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So in short term and medium term, Nasdaq is in sideways. FTSE UK, all three RSI above 60. So clearly again it is a trending market. DAX Germany, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So little bit sideways market in short term. But look at the weekly chart. Here it seems to be making CIP, and last week it has crossed that level and able to close above CIP level. So clearly DAX will again become a trending market. Eurostox 50 monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60, so little bit sideways market. Nikkei, Nikkei Japan, all three RSI above 60, very good trending market, no worry at all. CAC France, monthly and daily RSI above 60, weekly is nearby 60. So little bit short term and medium term trend is showing sideways. And if you look at the monthly chart, the France market is trading at previous all-time high. So it is at resistance. So let us wait and watch whether it is able to cross that resistance in coming weeks or not. Shanghai Composite China, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So clearly it is also a trending market. Kospi Korea, monthly and weekly RSI above 60, daily near 60. Look at the chart. It is very good trending market, one of the best chart we have seen today. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So here also no worry. It is clearly it is a trending market. Taiwan, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily near 60. So again, no concern. Clearly it is a trending market. So from our global market analysis, there is no worry at all in global market. All markets are showing upside movement and they are in great momentum. So let us see commodities. Gold futures, we have seen lot of correction in gold and silver in previous week. So monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So presently it is short term trend is bearish. Same is for silver. Monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So here also we have seen correction in price in previous week. Copper futures, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So no worry. Crude, monthly weekly daily all three RSI between 40 60. So clearly it is a sideways market. There was little bit movement in previous week, but again some correction we are observing. US dollar index, that is also started rising. So again good for US economy. Let us see cryptocurrency performance. Bitcoin, huge correction we have witnessed in Bitcoin. Monthly RSI between 40 60, so it is a sideways, but daily and weekly has crossed RSI 40 level towards downside. So short term and medium term trend of Bitcoin is very much bearish. Same is the case with Ethereum. Monthly RSI between 40 60, daily and weekly RSI has crossed RSI 40 level towards downside. So again, very bearish signal in short term and medium term trend. So let us see Indian market performance. That is our second step in top down approach, that is helicopter view. Nifty 50, monthly RSI is above 60, daily weekly RSI between 40 60. So clearly our market Nifty 50 is in sideways mode. There were two major events supposed to happen in 2026 for India. That is, first one is Indian budget, and second one is Indian US trade deal. So both these major events got over, and we have seen lot of movement from 1st February to 3rd February. And even though trade deal news was good for the market and budget also good, market has not crossed previous all-time high. So we are trading below that level. So looking at this price action, it seems to be our market is going to stay sideways going forward for next couple of months. Sensex, same is the case with Sensex also. Monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So clearly short term and medium term trend is sideways, and here also we are not getting, here also chart is showing sideways movement. So third step in top down approach is aerial view. So let us see sectoral indices performance. Nifty Bank, Monthly RSI above 60, daily, weekly between 40, 60. But look at this again, monthly chart of Nifty Bank. So whenever RSI is crossing 60 level, so one must notice real momentum, real price increase starts after that level only. So that is what the learning we have to get from this chart analysis. Normally, whenever RSI reaches 70 level, 60 level, people feels it is overbought and start selling or looking for short opportunities. Nifty Fin Services, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So little bit sideways on short term and medium term trend. Nifty PSU Bank, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So this is the only sector we are observing very much bullish in Indian market. Nifty Auto, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. Short term and medium term trend is sideways. Nifty Metal, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. Nifty Pharma, all three RSI between 40 60. So clearly it is a sideways market. Nifty IT, monthly weekly RSI between 40 60. Daily RSI has crossed RSI 40 levels toward downside. So again entering into bearish territory. Nifty FMCG, monthly RSI between 40 60, weekly below 40, daily between 40 60. So clearly all three charts are showing different directions. Under such circumstances, it is little bit difficult to get the direction of the market. Nifty consumption, all three RSI between 40 60. So clearly it is sideways market. Nifty energy, monthly and weekly RSI between 40 60. Daily RSI just crossed 60. But look at the recovery. In this weekly chart, this has approached this resistance level. So this is very positive for the energy sector. So one must keep watch on this sector and stocks related to this sector. Nifty reality, all three RSI between 40 60. So again, it is a sideways market. We have seen global market performance, Indian market performance, Indian sectoral indices performance. So what is the conclusion? So this table represents performance of the global market. So there is no worry at all. Everything seems to be good in global market. All markets are trending. Crude also is started falling. That is good for overall economy. So this is the only little bit concern Indian for Indian market. Even though budget got over, India US trade deal also got confirmed. But still, Nifty were not able to cross previous all-time high. It is still trading below, well below that level. So going forward, there is no big event lineup in short term. So it seems to be our market is going to stay sideways going forward for next couple of months. So these are the sectors we have identified from our analysis. So we have witnessed outperformance in metal and PSU bank with respect to Nifty performance, and other sectors like fin services, IT, manufacturing, infra, auto, their performance is at par with Nifty performance. And pharma, FMCG, realty, energy, other sectors, they are showing underperformance with respect to Nifty 50. That's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe to our channel. जल्दी मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पड़मलकर signing off for the day. Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, good luck and good trading. Thank you.